Welcome! In this video we will learn how to tie the Marlinspike hitch. It's a nut used for connecting a rope to a cylinder. We take the rope and we do a half hitch, a right half hitch. So this means that the running hand is over the standing part, like this. Then we take the running hand and we make a little bite and we put it inside the half hitch. Okay, this bite has to be the diameter of the cylinder. We put the cylinder inside the bite and then we pull and the knot is done. This knot it works if we pull to the to the standing part, to the running hand. Instead of the standing part, it came loose.